Just one pump, and I gotta move quick before my hair dries. That was it. That's it. That's it. What's good, everybody, and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Manes by Mell. I'm your host, Mel with the Mane. And for today's special episode, we are going to be taking on a very challenging, keyword challenging challenge. Why am I speaking like a talk show host? This isn't a game, this isn't Jeopardy, but it will indeed be a challenge. You may have heard of the one dip makeup challenge that many of the makeup beauty gurus on YouTube here have done. So I thought as a hair specialist, I would put my own twist on it. So introducing the one pump challenge. Honestly, I didn't think it was gonna be fair if I did a one dip challenge for hair because let's be real, I would scoop. I would really get in there and it just would not be fair. It would be too easy. So that's why I thought it would make the most sense to do a one pump challenge and use all products that have a pump bottle. I also chose products that I have used before. If you've been following me on this channel, then you already know the Eva NYC Gotta Bounce Curl Defining Cream. This is gonna be my main styler, but now look at her. She comes in aluminum packaging, if you didn't already know. Eva NYC has gone completely 100% recyclable with the aluminum. We love to see it. It makes me very proud to partner with them, especially on this video, to introduce a new product as part of the line, the Just Glisten Hair and Body Mist. So Miss, we're gonna get to know you real soon. I'm so excited to share and I'm so excited to do my hair. So one pump it is, and it is going to be interesting. But anyways, without further ado, I have a deep conditioner in. So I'm gonna rinse and then we're going to get right to it. First, let me show you how there's nothing left in there. When I twist my hair, you don't see any product, okay? Only lots of water. So I'm not a psychopath and I'm not trying to set myself up for failure. So there's no way I'm actually going to do just one pump for all of this because this is how I would style my hair. I would usually put in a leave-in conditioning cream beforehand. Then I would section my hair and apply a little bit of curl cream to each section as I styled and defined my curls, and then proceed with a gel and or mousse or whatever. So a lot more product than I'm going to be applying right now. I usually section my hair off into 2 sections, sometimes 3. So if I take this whole top half of my head, brush it through and it's damp, and I kind of gather it together, this size right here, that's how much product and cream my hair would really need. That's a trick that I shared on YouTube almost 2 years ago, and it stands to be true. That amount right there never really fails me, and it's how much I usually apply all the time. But of course, for this, we're just using one pump, and that is nothing like my section would require. So that would be normal. This is not for me at least. To be fair, I'm going to apply one pump to each section. I'm gonna start with one pump all over as an initial prep, just to keep my hair lubricated through the styling process. That is sad. It is sad and scary. But as I apply it on very wet, lubricated hair, it'll be just fine. This is actually a very, very moisturizing. You can feel it. It has very rich emollients kind of ingredients in here. It's gonna help to really just kind of moisturize and seal in my cuticle. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So here's what I'm gonna do, and here's my first very important tip when going scarce on your product. We're gonna brush it through because it really helps to smooth all of the hair down as well as distribute that product everywhere so everyone gets some love. It doesn't mean I'm not scared. You know, I hope this turns out well. No, it's fine, it's fine. It's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna section my hair as I always do. I section at my temples. And I put this top section, that doesn't belong there. Okay, perfect. This top section away for another day. And now for my styling crim. Just one pump, and I gotta move quick before my hair dries. That was it. That's it. That's it. That's it. See that, okay? I'm lucky it's nice and creamy. I'm gonna kind of distribute on my hands, so it's half and half, and then do half and half here. You know when brands say on the bottle, dime size amount? That's like a dime size amount. It seems really insane, but you know what? Maybe I'll really the results here. You know, sometimes we don't need to be so product heavy. Sometimes less is more. I'm sure the volume here is gonna be off the charts. I'm gonna just work through my hair now. I'm gonna use my styling brush. This is my Denman D3. Now let's just talk about the plus sides of this. My hair is probably gonna dry so fast because there is hardly any product in here. Hello. Now moving on to the top. Same thing, I'm gonna split this top section in half here. I'm gonna brush it out first. And here's where I'm a little concerned because my bangs are very dry. Those hairs there, they are hairs. They hate me sometimes. They are very needy. And I just want to show you my hair right now. Usually, if I was applying a normal, healthy amount of product to my hair, not that this isn't healthy, but you know what I mean, I would twist my section and then determine if I can't see the product, and I also can't feel that my hair feels like slick and protected, you know, not dry and coarse and rough feeling, then I'm like, okay, I need more product. If I can't see it, I can't feel it, it needs more. But of course, for this, we're just using one pump. So as we're doing here, I'm gonna separate that in half. Let's see what happens if I twist. Can't really see it. And I'm gonna finger coil this front section just so I can really kind of manually smooth everything down. It definitely doesn't feel like what it usually does. There's definitely not a lot of product in my hair. Too early for me to say not enough. I'm not gonna jump the gun there and say not enough. Look how fast it's drying because there's no product in it. I'm just gonna wet my brush. That's a really big tip I also like to do when you're styling, especially if you're styling with a brush. Wet your brush and then brush through and you're good. No one said anything about not adding any water, okay? This is a one pump of product challenge. There we go. And to those of you that may be unfamiliar with this product, if you haven't seen my other video and you're too lazy to go see it, even though I do encourage you, because it's a very fun video about a nighttime routine. Link it here for you to watch after this one. I'll just tell you a little bit about this cream. The product is very rich in emollients. It's got sweet almond oil, coconut oil, pretty high up on the list, so very emollient type ingredients. And then later on it has aloe vera juice, which kind of acts a little bit as a gel. That's why I've used this before. It does have a light hold. And it's got glycerin later down on the list, but there's no proteins in here. There is panthenol, which is a fantastically nourishing ingredient, but for the most part, this cream is very moisturizing with a very nice light smell as well, might I add. Okay, as long as I'm brushing and the curls are still kind of like doing this, then I'm good. If it's just fuzzing out at the ends after I brushed it, there's not enough. You could add definitely more water and then maybe a little bit more product. I'm not doing that today. This side is like already dry. That's it. I'm gonna dry my hair and I'm going to time this because my hair is gonna dry, I'm betting now, under 5 minutes. I'm gonna time and I'll be right back to finish off the hair and show you these one pump results. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna show you. For not a lot of product, there's a lot to unpack here. I mean, the bigger the hair, am I right? First things first, let me just say I was terribly off with the timing. It took 13 minutes and 41 seconds to blow dry, diffuse my hair. But that being said, I mean, I did diffuse on low because I'm like, there's not a lot of product in my hair. There's not a lot of hold, so I wanted to be super gentle so it didn't like, you know, ruin the curl and the definition, but here we are. So there's a little bit of frizz, but honestly, I'm gonna spin around for you. Look at this volume. It is absolutely weightless. Like, yes ma'am, with the volume. And we're not even done yet, so this can still get even better. Okay, we're optimistic here. We hope. We have hope. We have hope. I'm gonna apply some of the Bounce Back Curl Reviving Mist, which is not a pump, but it's a spray. So yeah, I'm gonna do the one spray challenge here because this is like a refresher spray. You put it on your dry hair, but I really like it. It kind of adds a little bit of hold to the hair. That's something that obviously I'm needing right now. So I'm gonna do, and don't come at me saying this isn't fair, I'm gonna do 2 sprays, one on each side of my head. Okay, and I don't want to hear it. Oh, see? And my hair's got a little bit more hold, a little bit more tackiness from the spray. See, the major thing I'm missing here, because there's so much volume, not a lot of product, my hair is naturally dry, I mean, it's color treated, is there's not all that much shine. So on that note, I think it's officially time. Let's give the new Just Glisten Hair and Body Mist a try, shall we? Ooh. So what we're gonna do here is we'll do a one pump. You know, it's the same kind of amount of time as I would use a pump. It's just running down my hand there. I don't waste any product, so I'll put that on my arm since it's a body spray as well. That smells like a cookie, like a light Italian. Like one of the fruit cookies you would get from like a shower. If you know, you know. It's very, very light. I see it in the air. Even using such minimal product, the products did deliver. And I'm kind of obsessed with how fluffy and light and airy this is. And as for the Just Glisten spray, this is so lightweight. It really gives such a beautiful shine. I love that I can use it on both my hair and skin, and I love the smell of it. This is staying in my beach bag. Challenge was accepted and officially completed. That is all for today's video and for the one pump challenge, which technically no was not just one pump, but I make the rules here. I haven't seen anyone else do this challenge yet, so there's that. Was it a hit or was it a miss? You let me know. If any of you do take on the one pump challenge, I look forward to seeing your results. It's really interesting to see how much product goes a long way for each and every different hair type. And although going forward, I will probably never just use one pump ever again, I am really living for all of this weightless volume, okay? Now finally, to close out this video, I want to thank Eva NYC again for being a fantastic partner. You know, they're doing so many great things with recycling. I love so many of their products, and I'm really excited about their new Just Glisten hair mist, hair and body mist. So if you want to check it out, I will leave the links in the description box below. And after this video, if you want to get a real tutorial on how I like to use the cream, I will link my nighttime routine video in the description box below as well. And if you want to get a real good feel for how much product you should actually be applying for how much hair you have, I will link that full video in the description box and right here as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more, and comment below what else you would like to see. And I will see you in the next one, each and every Texture Tuesday. Peace. Cease! Yeah, you want to come take a look at me? The more I look at it, it's really growing on me. Hello.
Oh my god, your hair looks fabulous.
Thank you.
It still looks really good.
You know,
I was a little concerned.
It's big.
It's big and beautiful.
Oh my goodness, thank you. Like, I really needed to just hear that.
It really is. It smells delicious in here.
Very soft.
Very soft. You did a good job. I think you passed the one pump challenge. I was not expecting your hair to look like this. It looks really nice. It smells delicious.
I know.
There's something about the smell. I don't know if maybe
there's cactus in here.
Yeah.
It's the cactus
It's
flower.
the cactus. It brings me back to Cabo.
It's exciting.
I know.
What does this smell like to you?
I think it smells exactly like this. It's sweet.
Mm.
It's definitely sweet. But not like heavy sweet where like it gives you a headache.
Yeah, you're not getting sick.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a little bit hungry, but not sick.
It's so good.
Very light.
It's so
really
good.
nice.
I really like this stuff.
It's
not
you don't feel
oily.
it.
Yeah.
Can't even feel it. You heard it here, kids. I can see it coming in the air. Nah. This lip gloss was a bad idea to wear. I'm just eating my hair. Wow. Where was I? Going crazy. I'm really shook. I'm really shook that I'm actually doing this one product. This is naked hair. This feels like naked hair. If you are new, I'm your host, Mel, the girl with the mane and the curls and the hummus up and up and now. Why am I talking like this? Why am I talking like a talk show host? Well, because technically the video is done, so I can apply more product now, right? Okay, that was a little rough on my scalpula. Boom. See? By the way, this is what I used today, also from Eva NYC. I love this, baby.